Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that debt relief bot token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, debt relief bot deployed by XAI originating using Grox, suggesting of the name and ticker symbol in response to a user query on the X platform. It was rapidly deploying using Banker and AI assistant tools for token creation. The token maintains a fixed total supply of 100 billion DRB tokens. DRB token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is also 100 billion DRB token. DRB token is listed on MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this proves that up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.